Hi guys, Frugal Gal here. Today I went to that town that was an hour away, one way, an hour back, to drop off my jewelry jars at the consignment shop. You can watch my previous videos about this. And before we went there, we went to an antique store we'd never been to, and it was right at the kind of the worst time because they were putting up an AT&T tower behind this antique store on a different piece of property, and they had accidentally cut through their electric line and their sewer line. So we were in the store with no electricity, looking at things with my phone's flashlight. But then eventually it came on after we looked through the whole store and we went back through and looked. But anyway, I found this brooch on the second time we went around, and it's interesting. I'm not sure if the back is supposed to be like this. I have to look it up. It doesn't have a place to put the back into, but it doesn't look like there was ever one there. It is signed. It's signed, and you can go over to my Facebook group, Vintage Wear Today, and I put info over there about it and pictures of it. It's signed Mazer Sterling. And I looked up this company, Mazer, from the 40s and 50s, I believe, and you can go over there and look on my Facebook group at the information. I put a link over there to information about them. Now, it's not in real good shape as far as it's tarnished because it's sterling. It is missing some of the rhinestones, one there, and I noticed a few in there. So, but that didn't bother me because it's sterling, and I've never seen this one before. I've never seen this company before. So I'm going to clean it up, and normally I would use my Sonic jewelry cleaner, but I don't want to because some of these rhinestones are not prong settings. These are, but the little ones aren't. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our trusty baking soda, which is, let me zoom back out. Trusty baking soda, which is a little bit in this little Corel bowl, and I usually use Dawn dishwashing soap. I don't have Dawn, I have some Palmolive. I had put my extra Dawn on top, and I forgot. I don't like the smell of Palmolive, but we'll put a little bit of that in there like that. We're going to use a toothbrush, a soft bristled toothbrush. We're going to wet it and get this on there. And I'm gonna, I put a rag in my sink because I don't want, that's just wet. I don't want it to, like if a rhinestone fell out, I don't want to lose it. And I'm going to scrub it, and then after I do this and scrub it really good and rinse it off, I am going to go ahead and take my sterling silver polishing rag and polish it. If you ever had a brooch from this company, M-A-Z-E-R, Mazer, and it is sterling, let me know if this back is supposed to be like this. I haven't researched that much except for the link that I found about the company. Like I said, it's over on my Facebook group if you want to check it out. I'm interested in this back. It almost looks like I think they call it a trombone back, but it should have something to go in it, I would think. Unless you just put it on and put, like, this is the end. This end cap thing down here moves, unless that's what's supposed to be down there. I'll have to look it up. I didn't find this exact one, but like I said, I didn't do a big search because we were gone most of the day, because going that far, I wasn't just going to go and not have other things planned. I dropped off the jewelry jar. We went in to some antique stores. We went to, I would have stayed more in the thrift store where I dropped off my jewelry jars, but have you ever been in a store where the music is playing so loud you can't stay and shop? I would love to go back over there. They had all their clothes, even designer clothes, for $1, but I would have to, seriously, to be in the store, I would have to get some noise canceling headphones. I mean, that's how bad it is. And it makes me very nervous. I don't know if it's just me. But I just don't like that. I don't know why people can't realize that some low, soothing music soothes people. I guess people have to have their noise. I don't. I like silence. Or some pretty noise in the background. Anyway, we did that, and then we went shopping at Aldi, and we ate at a nice little restaurant, cafe, diner actually, and I made a good day of it. And we came back actually on Route 66, which, Route 6, get your kicks on Route 66. Yes, I live right by Route 66. Unfortunately, there's not much on Route 66 left anymore. Now look at that. Look at that, how that's going to shine up. Just from a little baking soda and some dishwashing soap. I mean, you saw it at the beginning what it looked like. Let me get a paper towel and dry it off. You can already see how sparkly it is in those rhinestones. I had a feeling it would shine up really nice. And no, I'm not throwing that away. That will be used for some other jewelry. I am frugal. Now let's look at it. Look at that, guys. That rag looks dirty. Look at that, how that shined up. Yowzer, isn't that gorgeous? I don't even know if I'd have to take my polishing rag to it. It doesn't even look like I do I? That shined up wonderfully. So Mazer, sterling. Wow. I did not pay that much for this. Not going to tell you how much. But, looks like it's missing some rhinestones there. At first I thought maybe they were dead rhinestones, but they are missing. But still, that's gorgeous. I'm going to do a Google lens search on it. But I just thought I'd share with you. And if you have any information or you've ever had Mazer sterling brooches or any Mazer jewelry, the page I found was just about brooches. I have to search a little more. I'm sure they made other jewelry. So thanks for joining me. And by the way, that's not dirty. That gets stained because iced tea and coffee goes down it. And I bleached the heck out of that and do everything. I don't know why I'm explaining it to you. I feel like I have to explain things. But I'll let you guys go. This is the only thing I bought today. Can you believe it? Besides groceries. I'll let you guys go. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks for joining me. Thumbs up, share, hit that subscribe and the bell so you'll be notified. Gorgeous. Bye, guys.